If you can keep only three skills to have as a business owner, ano ito? Bakit?
Like, first is communication. I think communication is the key of the nation, right? So, under communication, nandyan ang leadership. Nandyan na rin yung communication, hindi lang naman yan one way na ikaw yung nagtuturo or nagsasalita, right? Pati yung input papunta sa'yo. Hindi lang output, pati input. Kasama na rin dyan yung listening, right? So, pag nagsastart ka, mas mahalaga nga makinig kaysa ikaw yung magsalita eh, right? So, first of all talaga para sa akin, napakahalaga ng communication. Okay? Next is management. Management ng tao, management, una pala sarili mo. Management ng sarili mo. Once you learn how to manage yourself, it will be easier, a lot easier to manage other people. Kasi once maintindihan mo yung sarili mo, maiintindihan mo na rin yung ibang tao. Plus, management din ng finance. Kasi I believe na it's not all about saving and keeping money. It's all about the spending. It's the spending na nagkakamali yung mga tao, kaya nga nagkakamali yung savings nila or yung cash flow nila, right? So, management ng tao, management ng sarili mo, management ng business, management ng finances, management ng time. So, yun, management yung pangalawa na sa tingin kong very important. Then, third is yung creativity. So, thinking outside the box. Kasi once you're always in that creative mode, sa tingin ko yung problema nagiging ano lang siya, challenge.